Stop boiling corn the old way. Air-grilled corn is sweet, juicy, and irresistibly delicious. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Do you have corn at home? Don't rush to boil it the usual way, because just put it in an air fryer, and after a few minutes, its aroma and sweetness might surprise you. Many people are still used to boiling corn in water, but this method sometimes results in corn that doesn't have the full flavor. Today, I'll share 3 ways to cook corn without a drop of water, using only a microwave and air fryer, yet the corn will still be evenly cooked, fragrant, and much sweeter. Especially with method number 3, you'll be surprised because with just 2 bowls of corn and 1 egg, your child will ask for this dish every day. Watch until the end of the video and you might not want to boil corn the old way anymore. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started! First, you need to clean the corn properly. Remove the outer husk and discard any old or damaged leaves so they do not affect the quality of the corn. However, remember not to remove the entire husk, but keep a thin layer of husk on the outside. After that, put all the corn into a bowl of clean water. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Stir gently so the ingredients dissolve evenly. Salt and baking soda help disinfect naturally, while also removing dirt, sand, and small impurities that are often hidden between the husk and the corn silk. Use your hands to gently rub the outside of the corn, especially around the husk, so that any remaining dirt is loosened and washed away. After a few minutes, pour out the water and rinse the corn thoroughly under clean running water to completely remove any remaining salt and baking soda. At this point, your corn is clean, fresh, and ready to cook. Now, we will start right away with how to roast corn using an air fryer. I will guide you through 3 ways to roast 3 different ears of corn so you can easily see the differences as well as the interesting results. Each ear of corn will have its own flavor that will make you want to try it immediately. Method 1. First, we need to peel the husks off 2 ears of corn. This is a very quick and convenient trick that makes peeling corn much easier. Place the whole ear of corn with the husk still on in the microwave and heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. When corn heats up, steam will accumulate inside the husk. This steam will naturally loosen the husk and silk from the kernels. When finished, carefully remove the hot corn from the microwave. Cut off the thick stem at the bottom of the corn cob. Then hold the tip and gently pull the husk off. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now you have 2 ears of corn that have been completely peeled. And the next step is to season it. You can season it to your taste. First, spread a thin layer of olive oil over the surface of the corn cob. This layer of oil helps the spices adhere better and helps the corn kernels brown more evenly when grilled. Then, sprinkle some salt. Next, add garlic powder to create a mild aromatic flavor. Add a little chili powder for color and a mild spiciness. Or you can also use other spices of your choice, such as black pepper or paprika. If you prefer the pure, natural sweetness of corn, you can completely skip the seasoning step. Fresh corn, especially in season, is delicious on its own. This is also perfect for those who love natural, simple, and light flavors. Now for an interesting comparison. Wrap a seasoned ear of corn tightly in aluminum foil. Aluminum foil will retain moisture and humidity, helping to keep the corn tender and juicy. The second ear of corn is left uncovered, unwrapped, and grilled directly in the hot air stream, creating a different texture. Additionally, keep the husk on one ear of corn and grill it along with the other two. So you will have 3 different types of corn. One wrapped in foil, one grilled directly, one with the husk on. Now place the corn cobs into the air fryer basket one by one. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius, approximately 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 13 minutes. When half the roasting time has passed, open the basket and flip the corn cobs over. This simple step helps the corn cook evenly on all sides, while also creating a more appealing color and texture. When the time is up, carefully remove the corn from the pan, as it will be very hot. You'll immediately notice the difference in shape and feel between each ear of corn. Peel each ear of corn. Corn wrapped in foil will be the softest and juiciest. Because they are cooked in their own steam, the corn kernels retain their plumpness, sweetness, and tenderness. This method is perfect if you like melt-in-your-mouth corn. Grilling corn on its husk preserves its natural sweetness very well. The husk protects the kernels and retains their aroma, resulting in juicy, fresh, fragrant, and naturally sweet corn. This method preserves the flavor much better than boiling corn in water. Meanwhile, corn kernels seasoned and grilled directly offer the richest flavor. The kernels may lose a little moisture because they lack a protective coating, but when lightly charred by the hot air, they develop a rich aroma, an appealing mild saltiness, and a pleasant crispness. Each method offers a different flavor, and all are much simpler than the traditional way of boiling corn. That's it! Which method did you like best? Let me know in the comments below the video. Method 2. One corn-based treat you definitely shouldn't miss: this rich and creamy corn custard made with eggs and milk. This dish is incredibly simple, doesn't take much time, and provides a light, nutritious breakfast in no time. First, separate the corn kernels from the fresh corn cob. And put it in the blender. Then add 2 eggs. (150 milliliters of fresh milk to create a smooth, creamy texture. You don't need to grind it too finely. A slightly grainy texture will help retain the natural sweetness and mild crunch of the corn kernels. Pour the mixture into a heat-resistant bowl or a small microwave-safe mold. Cover with a lid or wrap with thin plastic wrap. Leaving a small gap for steam to escape. Place in the microwave and cook at 300 degrees Celsius for approximately 3 to 4 minutes. Remove, shake gently, or stir lightly in the middle. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then sprinkle a layer of grated cheese on top. Continue microwaving and cooking in short bursts until the food solidifies. The surface is now soft but firm, not dry or cracked. Once cooked, let it rest for about 1 minute before eating. The result is a soft, warm corn custard with a delicate milky flavor and the natural sweetness of corn. This dish is low in oil, easy to digest, and very palatable. You can enjoy it while it's still hot to savor the rich, creamy flavor of the cheese. This dish is simple, nutritious, and especially suitable for the elderly or those who enjoy light, home-cooked meals. Method 3. Have you ever added eggs to corn? With just 2 bowls of corn and 1 egg, your child will be asking for this every day. First, I put about 2 cups of shelled corn into a large bowl. Then, I added 1 egg, a teaspoon of salt, and a sprinkle of pepper to taste. Next, add about 10 grams of flour and mix all the ingredients well so that the corn is lightly coated with flour and seasoning. Prepare your air fryer by lining the inside with parchment paper. Then, spread a fairly thick layer of butter on the parchment paper. This butter not only prevents sticking, but also makes the corn more fragrant and appealing when grilled. Next, add the mixed corn to the air fryer and spread it evenly. Sprinkle about 30 grams of grated cheese on top. Place the pot in the air fryer and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes, or until the corn is cooked through and the cheese has melted and turned slightly golden. Once the corn is cooked, remove it and arrange it on a plate. Finally, sprinkle some chili powder on top to enhance the flavor. Now you have a delicious, flavorful, and appealing grilled corn dish to enjoy. And so, we've reached the end of today's video. With just a few changes to the cooking method, you can enjoy fragrant, flavorful, tender, juicy, and naturally sweet corn, along with a nutritious corn custard without much effort. I hope at least one of today's ideas will inspire those who love corn and enjoy cooking. If you found this video helpful, please like, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical cooking tips. Thank you so much for watching the video.